Welcome to One Inorganic Chemistry. We are going to find hybridization and shape of carbonate ion with the help of 3D animation. To find the hybridization, you should know the steric number, which is H equals P plus B minus C whole divided by 2. So carbon is the central metal atom, valency is 4, oxygen we should not count, so it is 0. The steric number will be 4 minus 2 whole divided by 2 mean it is 6 by 2 equals 3. The lone pair will be 3 minus 3 equals 0 because you should count oxygen here. So no lone pair with H3, which represents sp2 hybridization. sp2 hybridization geometry is trigonal planar. So carbon occupies central, oxygen on the terminal. So the shape of CO3 2 minus is trigonal planar. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion or feedback, comment below.